Due to incompatible software, message can be frustrating, but there are a few solutions you can try to fix it. 1. Identify the incompatible software. While it's not always easy to pinpoint the exact program causing the issue, some common culprits include antivirus software, overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience, and recently installed system cleaners or optimizers. Try temporarily disabling these programs one by one and relaunching Roblox after each to see if the issue persists. 2. Update Roblox and graphics drivers. Outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. Make sure you have the latest versions of both Roblox and your graphics drivers installed. You can check for updates within the respective applications or download them from the official websites. 3. Perform a clean reinstall of Roblox. In some cases, a corrupted installation can cause crashes. Completely uninstall Roblox, making sure to remove any leftover files or folders. You can find instructions on the official Roblox website. Then, download and reinstall the latest version from the official source. 4. Check for system file corruption. System file corruption can also lead to various software malfunctions. Run the System File Checker (SFC) tool by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar, right-clicking on Command Prompt, and selecting Run as Administrator. Then, type SFC scan now and press Enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files. 5. Report the issue to Roblox. If none of the above solutions work, consider reporting the issue to Roblox support. They might have further insights specific to your situation and can offer additional troubleshooting steps. You can report the issue through the official Roblox website or link to en.help.roblox.com.